other things you said about, when people throw the term around thug, street cred, calling him monkey and things, that's pseudo for the N-word.
We just heard the soundbite with Rachel Nichols where he says, yes, that is pseudo for the N-word.
Of course it is.
You agree?
Every black person knows that. Everybody, you got a couple of people who are ignorant who use that as a slur. But people also they say street cred.
Think of Tupac in the 90s, wasn't saying thug cool at the time. What changed?
Well, first of all, listen, we got this great debate going on in West Fair. I use the N-word. Me and my friends use it, and we're not going to stop using it. I don't care what anybody out there say. We're going to use it. I know the difference when me and my friend are saying the N-word when somebody white is trying to insult me. I find it fascinating when I'm watching these shows when we go back to, no disrespect to Paula Deen. She was using the N-word, and people turned it on us and said, well, you guys use it in song and use it to yourself. Yeah, but we know what it means toward each other.
Do you say thug?
No, not really. That's not, not really. I'm not sure what context I would use it in, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
But it is a racial slur. Some people don't have the courage to say the N-word, so they use terms like thug and street cred, but that's what they really mean.